Welcome to Willard Public Library's virtual Crafternoon. On this episode, we're going to be making sunny stamped lemon tote bags. Craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk while supplies last. Each kit includes one paper lemon template, a standard kitchen sponge, 2 pieces of thick cardstock paper, 1 canvas tote bag, 2 fluid ounces of yellow fabric paint, and a paper plate. You will also need 1 pair of scissors, and if you want to include leaves on your lemons, you'll want to grab some green fabric paint as well. Start by cutting the outline of your paper lemon to use as a pattern for your sponge. Lay your pattern on top of the sponge using the curved edges to your advantage and simply cut around the edges. It doesn't need to be perfect. Also keep in mind that it's totally normal for your sponge to be slightly damp. If you want to, you can use the leftover pieces of your sponge to create a small leaf stamp as well. Before you start sponge painting, it's very important that you put those 2 pieces of paper inside of your bag. This will keep the paint from bleeding through the fabric onto the other side. If you are using one of the craft kits from Willard, you should find a small plastic cork inside of your bottle of paint. You'll just want to remove that cork, and then you're ready to pour your paint onto your paper plate. You have probably noticed that your sponge has 2 different sides with 2 different textures. Here I'm going to be using the green side because I found that it gives more of a solid color effect. If you want your lemons to look more sponge painted, I would recommend using the yellow side. It's totally up to you. All you need to do is lay your sponge into the paint until one side is completely covered, then press it gently onto your canvas bag, and from one side of the sponge, carefully lift up. The number of lemons on the bag and the design that they are in is completely up to you. Here you'll see I'm adding a little bit of green fabric paint to the yellow fabric paint that's already on my paper plate. I'm going to add a couple of green leaves to my bag just to give a little bit of visual interest. It's just my personal preference. You do whatever you feel looks best. When you're finished painting, you will want to give your bag at least 4 hours to dry completely. You can also cover your dry design with a piece of parchment paper and iron over it with a hot iron to set the paint in place. We hope you enjoyed this Crafternoon. Thanks for watching.